In this video, we are discussing conditional operators in Java.
We are discussing how to use the conditional operators in Java. So here we have defined two Boolean variables, that is the bool1 and bool2, and another variable that is our result, res. Bool1 has got initialize with true and bool2 has got initialize with false. So result is equal to bool1 or bool2. You can find that here we have used double filter sign. So true when at least one of the value, if it is true, then the outcome will be true, and that is the basic logic of OR. And in this case, this result is equal to bool1 and bool2. So that is our double ampersand, which is another conditional operator. So true when both values are true here. So here we are expecting that result will be printed as true because one of the values is true here, bool1 is true. But here we are expecting that the result will be printed as false because here this bool1 is true but the bool2 is false. So now let me go for the execution. You can find that it is true and it is false and it is according to our logic. So now let me make it true here. Then what will happen? In the both cases, for this double filter, that is the and this is a double ampersand, that is our double filter is OR and double ampersand is our AND. In the both cases, in the both conditional operators will produce the outcome as true. So let me go for the execution. You can find that they are producing the outcome as true here. So in this way, in this demonstration with a proper example, we have given you the idea that how to use the conditional operators in our Java coding.